in this video I'll be showing you the ways to send money to your friends and family using the Zable app. In order to send money to friends or family using the Zable app, you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and open up your Zable application. You could use a web browser or an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Once you'll open up your web browser, on the web address bar, you could go and type in zable.co.uk, and that's going to take you to the official page. Enter in your credential and log into your account. Once logged in, you could go and look for an option that says send money, transfer, or send funds, something similar in the app's home screen. Then you need to choose the recipient you want to send money to from your contact list, or by entering your email address, phone number, or username associated with your Zable account. Then you could go ahead and specify the amount of money you wish to send, and make sure to double check the amount before proceeding as well. And then you could go ahead and select the payment method you want to use for the transfer. This could be your linked bank account, credit card, debit card, or any other payment method. You could go ahead and review and confirm, then authenticate the transaction if required, and send the money. That's how you can send money to your friends and family using the Zable app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.